Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today in this video I'll show you how to retouch face like MrBeast. So let's get started. So firstly, select the curve option and make it dark, and then create a clipping mask on it by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus mouse. Right-click, then select Brush Tool and apply on darker areas on the face. Then again, select Curve Tool, make it brighter, and create clipping mask, and then apply on brighter areas on face. Now you can see the before and after result. Then I will add some glow in background. So firstly, the brush tool and select the color you want. Then create new layer and apply the brush in the background. Then press Alt to create the copy of object. Then open the blending option and apply these all settings. Then again, make copy of object and open the blending option. Then again apply these settings. Then select the both layers and make it group a layer and create mask on it. Then select the brush tool and remove the unwanted glow that you didn't want. And this is the final result, so if you like the video, then press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to watch every new video.